So we're at lunch here and doing a little tailgating. There's a nice little spot here, and just made my lunch. As you can see, I made some brats there and some vegetables and some rice, and you get these nice little bowls with them. And there's the vegetables, and then I just steamed the vegetables in the fire maple Star X2, and we're just sitting here listening to the creek down there. Got this beautiful mountain range in the background. So I'm just getting my lunch ready here. We found a nice little spot. We're in the Smokey Mountains in Gatlinburg, Tennessee at a Bronco event, and it's time for lunch. So I want to show you how I'm going to prepare that in my Fire Maple Feast for Cook set. And it's all self-contained within inside of each other. Comes in this nice little carrying bag, and it's very lightweight. It weighs about 2.5 pounds, and it just all packs down inside. And as you can see, the lid for the pan also fits the frying pan. So if you're going to have something frying on here and you just want to contain the heat, you can do that. And then on top of the pan, there's little vent holes too, which is really nice. So this just all unpacks, and if you pick up the little lid, you can get the cook set out. So you're going to have a large 2-quart pan, and then down here little mixing bowls or soup bowls with a nice spoon. And then you have a nice little teapot. I'm going to be using the pan today. We're going to be cooking some mets with some vegetables and some rice. And then I'm also going to get my burner out. So this is the Star X2, and inside you're going to have your burner and your propane and your stand, and it just fits nicely down inside. You're going to have a plastic legs stand as well. To assemble this, you just unclick it. There's the little lever for the gas. You just want to twist that on. You can set that down. And then when you have your pan that you're going to cook with, there's a little lock here. You just unlock that and make sure it clicks and locks. You can set your burner on top and then your pan. Now we're ready to go ahead and put our meats in here. We're going to put some brats in here and cook those up. And then we're going to put some rice in this burner here. And we'll also be doing some steamed vegetables. you can see, I made some brats there and some vegetables and some rice. And you get these nice little bowls with them. And there's the vegetables. And then I just steamed the vegetables in the Fire Maple Star X2. And we're just sitting here listening to the creek down there. Got this beautiful mountain range in the background. And we're just taking a break from the show, all of the traffic, just taking it easy.